Hey guys, this is Shifa Marchant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sassy Shif Says. I promise today's video is going to be an interesting one. I know it's been really long since I put out a product review or any video. Thank you so much for giving me so much love on my vlog and for just appreciating the hard work that we're trying to put in. I promise there's going to be so much more content coming your way, whether it's fashion, beauty, travel, and so much more. I'm super excited for this year to just progress ahead, and I cannot wait for you guys to be a part of this journey with us. Now, that being said, this video is going to be a special product review. Like I said, while I was in LA, I got my hand on this amazing brand called Omorphe, and it is an Australian brand. And while I researched about them, I came to know that they have the hairspray and they have their ENA range, Omorphe's hair styling product, which is a hair straightener, and I just had to review it for you all. So let's give this one a whirl. I really like the sheet black overall look of the hair straightener. Now, because I'm in India, I've added this 3-pin plug, but the best part is that they come with different various plugs. So this is the American one, you can get an Australian one, and also if you're like in India, you can use the 3-pin extension like this one that I'm using as of now. And even like when you're on the go on travels, you can easily use this because they have worldwide plug options, which is really cool. Also, I feel that the whole black look, you know, usually the straightener that I had before this, they had colored plates. So as opposed to that, I don't know, somehow I just like one proper one color. Now here comes the fun part. So the curved edge floating plates are really smooth and they're easy on your hair. Your hair actually won't get tangled in it, and that's one of the main things that makes this different than the other hair straighteners. And usually I've had it an issue if the straighteners are smaller and compact, which I like to use while I'm on the go on travels. Then I cannot take bigger sections of hair for straightening the hair, and then it usually takes longer if I'm doing it alone, right? But in this case, they say that you can take bigger chunks of hair as well, even though it's smaller. I think it's pretty portable, it's light, and they have got this humongous cord which is 2.5 meter. This is insane. I mean, I personally don't have a straightener which has a cord that is this bloody long. So this is amazing. Also, look at this. There are 360-degree swivel features, so say goodbye to your wire tangling or, you know, getting stuck, or say you have to like force to use the straightener in one particular direction, because with this baby you can use it however the hell that you feel like. So I feel this is really handy, really efficient, plus this takes care of the frizz of a hair. So let's put this baby to testing. Oh my god, so as you guys saw, I legit got this done in less than 3 minutes, and I'm not even kidding, because I actually took 3 sections on this side and 3 sections on this side and I was done. I actually like my hair to have a natural movement and as opposed to being focused straight, and this Omorphe ENA styler is going to be really handy because you can just, because of the 360 degree swivel wire, you can just twist and turn and give your hair the natural fluid movement that I personally like, and I feel it's absolutely must have. This is going to be traveling with me for sure. It's really light. It looks big, but it's light. There is an LED light indication as well, which informs you the minute this is heated up, and I feel that this is definitely going to be hands-on, one of my personal favorites hairstylers, and I think you guys should definitely check this one out for yourself. Make sure to like, share and subscribe guys if you liked the video as much as I did, and I would love to hear in the comment section below which is your hairstyling product that you cannot do without, and which is your favorite hairstyling tool that you swear by. I would love to hear your reviews, your suggestions, and if you think there's anything else that I should be reviewing, let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to be linking this beauty right in the description as well, so it's easier for you guys to check it out. One more thing I forgot to mention is that there is absolutely no frizz, and mind you, all of my hair that I've done is Sans Serif products, so I've not used any heating products, so I'm really surprised that this straightener in itself has done such a fab job. Double that.